rete whānau o Toy Time. I feel a little tingle in my toes when it's time to dance. All we need are the trumpets. Waka tato, it's Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you want to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora koutou, nau mai, haere mai. Welcome to Toy Time. I'm Riki.
Ko mai a tōku ingoa, tēnā koutou. Ko Jojo ahau. And this is our very special member of our Toy Time whānau. Everybody, meet Marigold. Marigold, say kia ora.
Hi, Dad.
Today is an exciting day for Marigold. Can you tell us what's happening today?
I go to school.
Te hi kakahoki. How exciting. And tell us, how do you feel about starting school?
I'm going to be excited, very excited.
Excited! Me too. Excited and nervous sort of feel like the same thing, don't they? They make your stomach all tickly and fluttery.
Well, it's our body's way of getting you ready for something new.
Are you ready for your first day of school, Marigold? Kapai, let's go. Come on.
We're going on a learning adventure. New friends, new books, new pencil case. A learning adventure. We're a little scared, but we'll be brave. Walk, walk, gotta walk to class. Gotta hop, hop, gotta get there fast. Gonna run, run, it's gonna be fun. Gonna get to class on time. Gonna walk, walk, gotta walk to class. Gotta hop, hop, gotta get there fast. Gonna run, run, it's gonna be fun. Gonna get to class on time. We're going on a learning adventure. New friends, new books, new pencil case. A learning adventure. We're a little scared, but we'll be brave. Wave, wave, wave it on your friends. Gonna shake hands with every one of them. Gonna high five the entire class while we're making friends so fast. Gonna wave, wave, wave it on your friends. Gonna shake hands with every one of them. Gonna high five the entire class while we're making friends so fast. We're going on a learning adventure. New friends, new books, new pencil case. A learning adventure. We're a little scared, but we'll be brave. Can you hear the bell ring? Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Time for us to go to class. With everything we're learning, we're growing up so fast. We're going on a learning adventure. New friends, new books, new pencil case. A learning adventure. We're a little scared, but we'll be brave.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Morena, everybody, and welcome to Toy Time Primary School. I'm your teacher, Fire Jojo.
Morena, Fire Jojo.
Morena, everyone. Now, today's lesson is all about the... Yes, Maya? Aren't you supposed to do the roll first? Oh, Yes. First of all, this morning I will do the roll. Maya. Kei konei aho, Fire Jojo. Riki.
Here, Fire Jojo.
Teddy. Here, Fire Jojo! And Rupert.
Here, Fire Jojo.
Wonderful. Let's get started on today's lesson. Yes, Maya?
Aren't you supposed to do the news after the roll call?
Oh, yes. Has anyone got a news story they would like to share with the class? Yes, Maya. Come up to the front.
Morning, everybody. On the weekend, my kaumatua came to stay with us. We had pipi fritters for lunch.
Oh, thank you,
and
Maya.
then after lunch, we went for a swim. And then we played cards, and then we... Oh, I forgot. Well, that's all.
Thank you, Maya. And now for
Fire
today's...
Jojo, can I...
Oh, Riki, please put up your hand if you have a question. Yes, Riki.
Fire Jojo, can I please go to the toilet?
Of course, Riki.
Thank you.
Now, today's lesson is all... Yes, Maya.
Shouldn't we wait for Riki to get back from the wharepaku?
Oh, yes. And now for today's lesson.
Yes!
I mean, thank you for a wonderful lesson, Fire Jojo.
Yeah, you're our favourite teacher, Fire Jojo.
Oh, you're welcome. Class dismissed.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Greyland School and I'm off to learn about primary school. Wake tātou. I found the classroom. Hi, I'm Buzz the Cuz. Hey, if it was my first day of school, what do I do first?
You hang your bag up.
Hang my bag up. Okay, cool. Hang my bag up. Nice. And then, is there anything else I need?
Yes, you need a name tag.
Look, it's got Buzz on it. Thank you. Right there. Buzz. Whoa!
Okay.
What is this place? Oh, tēnā kōrua. Hey, can you show me around?
Sure. Over there is where we relax and read books. And then over here, that's where we do our arts and crafts. That's our maths corner and that's our teacher Laurie.
Hi Buzz, welcome to our class.
That's where our headphones are. We put them on when we need to calm down, if like you're angry or sad. And when you get out, you're all calm again.
Ooh, calm corner. Let's go. Yeah?
You have to get on the mat.
Oh. Oops.
All right, guys, today we're going to have a think about a place that's special to us and our whānau. You could be somewhere you go on holiday. It might be where your family's from, or it might be where you play, or you go for a nice, calm day out. Finn.
Your home.
Beautiful. What about a few more ideas? Buzz.
The marae.
Amazing idea. So keep that special place in your head. And today you're going to draw a picture of that place that's special for you and your whānau, and you're going to have a go at writing down where that is.
Buzz, come sit with us.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you colour that in now.
Do you know what I like to do after being concentrating for ages? Ooh, I like to go and play. Let's go. Here's the rules, OK? We're going to race from this line to the furthest line and then all the way back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Careful! Careful! The aim of the game is you have got to catch Buzz the Cuss. Oh, I've had such an amazing time today. Ka kite anō. All right, try and catch me again.
Tell me, what could we try building? We could make a house or two, a new igloo. Build whatever we imagine. Makukwe Fina, I'll help you. Let's construct a giant tree house. Then we'll have a special place to hide. Katahiterangi, it's a lovely day for building things outside. Tell me, what could we try building? We could make a house or two, a new igloo. Build whatever we imagine. Makukwe Fina, I'll help you. See the birds and ants construct their houses from little bits and pieces that they find. Katahiterangi, it's a lovely day for building things outside. Tell me, what could we try building? We could make a house or two, a new igloo. Build whatever we imagine. Makukwe Fina, I'll help you. Tell me, what could we try building? We could make a house or two, a new igloo. Build whatever we imagine. Makukwe Fina, I'll help you.
And for the bus backflip in slow motion, double backflip with
Knock,
the
knock.
door. Who's there?
Venus.
Venus who?
Venus, it's time for Takaro time.
Well, now that you're here, it is in fact the perfect time.
Okay, then come on. Hey, Maya, Ricky, meet you in the garden. Imaginary jackhammer. Good day, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming. It's Takaro time.
I love Takaro time.
Oh, me too. You always know the best games to play.
Oh, why, thank you, Tama. Buzz the Cuss at your service. Hey, now, okay, Tama, you sit there, and Maya, please sit here, lovely lady. And you, Ricky, sit down here. All right. The name of the game is Duck, Duck, Goose. Now, I'm going to go around the circle, touching your shoulders, and I'm going to say duck, duck, all right? And then, when I get to someone's shoulder and say goose, goose, you have to chase me around the circle. Oh, lady. Okay? If I get back to your spot before you catch me, then I sit down and it's your turn. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's play. You sit down, Tama. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Duck. 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 Goose! Goose! Oh, go, Maya! Go, Maya!
Okay, my turn. Duck. Duck.
Oh.
duck. Ah, duck. Goose.
Oh, run, Maya! Oh, Nikki!
Run!
Hey, Buzz. What happens if the goose catches you?
Oh, so if the goose catches you, then it's your turn again.
Okay. Right. Duck. Duck. Goose.
Good game, it's your turn again now, Ricky.
Okay.
Kia ora tamariki piwari. I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm going to show you how to pack for school, because you don't want to forget anything important. Ta-da! Presenting the school bag. It has straps for your shoulders, see? And a handy zipper so your things don't fall out when you're doing cartwheels. Right. The most important thing to put in your bag is your lunchbox to keep your puku happy and full of delicious kai while you're at school. See? Ta-da! Oh, yum. Okay. Later lunch. Eat you when the bell rings. Also, most important is your drink bottle. You can fill it up with water at home or from the drinking fountains at school. Letters. What else do we need? I know, a hat. In the summertime to protect your head from the sun when you're playing on the playground. Yeah, I am cool. Yeah, I'm the coolest in school. Yeah. In winter, it's a good idea to pack a jacket in case it rains. In you go. And last of all, a hula hoop. Okay, maybe not a hula hoop. They might have one you can use at school. Right, off I go to school to learn and eat food and play with my friends. Ta-da! Off to school I go. Just jokes. I'm a grown-up. I have to go to work.
Are you all right, Wolfie?
I wish I could come to school too, Oma.
Oh, you can when you're 5.
Well, I'm 4 now. So 1 more year. Oh, that's a long time to wait, Oma.
Oh, Wolfie, you'll be starting school in no time. And I have a very important job for you while you wait.
Ooh, what's that?
Will you look after Teddy for me while I'm at school?
Of course.
Oh, thank you. Okay, bye, Wolfie. Bye, Teddy. Bye.
Bye, Oma. Have a great day at school. Oh, what should we do today, Teddy? Oh, dress up. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Woohoo! Guess what, everyone? I'm starting school today. I'm so excited. When I was 1, I said goo goo gaga. I just started walking. And when I was 2, I learned how to poo. I kept on talking and talking. And when I was 3, I wanted to be the captain of my ship. Ahoy there, matey. And when I was 4, I learned so much more, like sharing and caring and kips. But now I am 5, I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school today. Yes! I wakey and eat my brekkie, and I brush on my teeth. Then I put on my clothes, all nice and warm. Brush on my hair. My beautiful mama has made my lunch. I'll learn to do that myself soon. Then on with my bag and into my shoes. I'm happy to walkie. And now I am 5. I feel so alive, 'cause I'm starting school today. I feel so alive.
Today's Icebox Day. Taya. It's our favourite day. We all have the same flavour. Lemonade! We love Icebox all the time. I love Icebox because they're so sweet. I love Icebox because they make me feel better. Icebox make us want to run around. We love Icebox Day.
Welcome back to another episode of What's in
The Box, the school edition. Is it a glue stick in there, Tama?
Cole, it's not a glue stick.
A ruler?
Cole?
A reader book?
No, you have to put your hand in and see what it may be, Maya. That's the fun part.
Okay, here goes. Ooh. Ooh, small. Round. A bit squishy, which makes me think that they bounce really high. Are they bouncy balls?
Aye, you are right. They are bouncy balls.
Wow.
One of my favourite things to play with when I was at school.
Whoa, these are really bouncy. I'm going to see how high they can go.
Toru, rua, tahi, go!
Oh, maybe we should do this outside, Tama.
Great idea.
Yeah.
I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room, dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you, dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna tap my toes, tap them to the beat. Tap my toes, tap them to the beat. Tap my toes, tap them to the beat. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna wave my arms, wave them side to side. Wave my arms, wave them side to side. Wave my arms, wave them side to side. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna stomp my feet, stomping noisily. Stomp my feet, stomping noisily. Stomp my feet, stomping noisily. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna twirl around, getting dizzy. Twirl around, getting dizzy. Twirl around, getting dizzy. I want to dance with you. I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room. Dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you. Dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I want to dance with you.
Are they here yet? Not yet, but it's after 3, so they'll be walking home and they should be here any minute now.
Okay. Walking home from school sounds fun, but what if you live too far away from school to walk?
Hey, Mohio,
Kia ora, Jojo. How can I help?
How do people get to school and back?
There are lots of ways to get to school and back. Some people walk or ride their bike. Some people get a ride with their whānau. Some people take a bus.
Oh, and my friend who lives on an island catches a boat to school.
Karawe, that sounds like fun.
Thanks, Mohio.
Is Marigold back yet? Kia ora, Marigold. It's so great to see you.
How was your first day at school?
Good.
What did you make?
I made a blue doggy with a horn.
Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, I've got an idea. Shall we have some yummy afternoon tea and then you can tell us all about your first day at school?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go.
Hi, this is my school. First, I put my bag away. This is my classroom. This is where I sit with my friends. We have lots of art on the wall. We have a basketball court. The senior courts are huge. This is Claire. She works in the office.
Hello.
This is the sick bay. Sometimes I feel sick, I go to the sick bay. My favorite place is the library. There's so many books. It's awesome. I love my school. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about a friendly taniwha. Once upon a sunny day in Kirikiriroa, the Singh family packed a basket with sandwiches and went down to the river for a picnic. As Mum and Dad spread out a cozy blanket, Arya and Rohan skipped over to the water where something shiny caught their eye. "Look," whispered Arya. Rohan gasped. "Is that a taniwha?" Sure enough, a friendly taniwha popped its head out of the water. It had shimmering eyes and a kind smile. "Hello, little ones," said the taniwha in a gentle voice. Arya and Rohan grinned. "Hi there, we're the Singh family. Who are you?" "I'm the Kaitiaki, the guardian of this river," replied the magical creature. "I live in the river and watch over it. What brings you to my home today?" "We're having a picnic," said Rohan. "Want to join us?" The taniwha happily agreed, and soon the Singh family and their new friend were sharing stories over their kai, enjoying the warmth of the sun. As the sun set, the Singh family thanked the taniwha for joining them and promised to return for more picnics by the river. The end. I love reading with you.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha